Hello everyone. Welcome to Indian Ceramics Asia 2026. This is Nisha Shukla, Associate Editor of ET Manufacturing. As the global supply chain shifts, India is emerging as a key market for manufacturers worldwide, with Italy playing a vital role in the ceramic industry. Today, I'm joined by a representative of Italian Trade Agency to discuss about strengthening Italy's role in India and the future-ready partnership between Italy and India. I'm joined by...
Hi, I'm Bharti Sharda. I'm representing Italian Trade Agency here at Indian Ceramic Asia. We've got 6 Italian companies here who are part of this ceramic world. And yeah, I'm glad to be here. I'm working with Italian Trade Agency from past 10 years. And it is wonderful here with the Italian companies who have joined us.
So as India's second largest supplier of the ceramic industry, how does ITA help Italians to position themselves or retain themselves in a very competitive market like India? Can you talk about that?
Yeah. We as Italian Trade Agency, we are implementing a target, a strategy to reach 700 billion euro goal by 2027. And to navigate the global competition and geopolitical uncertainty, we are focusing on market diversification and digitalization of SMEs support and promoting sustainability in a high quality and high tech made in Italy sectors.
Right. With Make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat now gaining momentum, so what would be Italy's strategy when it comes to deepening their partnership on local manufacturing? Can you talk about that?
Yeah. With strategic partnership, we are actively fostering the industrial collaboration and joint ventures in the sectors like advanced mechanic, green technology, and aerospace, particularly through initiatives like India-Italy Strategic Partnership, which is aiming for $20 billion in bilateral trade by 2029. Italy's advanced manufacturing and automation capability complements India to push and become a global manufacturing and export hub. So, under Union Budget 2025 to 2026, India has planned to develop 120 new airports by 2035. So, this can strengthen the regional connectivity and infrastructure spending and creating significant demand for premium ceramic tiles and in premium ceramic tiles in airport terminals. So this is an opportunity for Italian companies and Indian companies for specializing in high quality design and driven tiles, and there are many other initiatives by a group called Adani. Like they are investing $3 billion in Kerala over 5 years. So they are focusing again on infrastructure and logistic and manufacturing. So Italy has a great opportunity and they are quite good to deliver all these kind of things in the future.
Indeed, a lot is in store for the future. Thank you so much, Bharti, for your valuable time and for this valuable interview.
Thank you.
And with this, we come to an end of another interview. Until then, stay tuned.